an insane bridge. Oh, this is insane. Sumimasen. Daijoubu desu. It's okay. Wow. This is pretty stunning. Oh my god. Oh, Chica! I forgot! Chica's scared of heights. Oh, Chica, don't look down there. Don't look down there, Chica. Oops. Carly would love this with Chica. She's so scared. I forgot that you don't like this. Whoa. I forgot Chica doesn't like heights. Look. Oh, it's too funny. This is just an incredible bridge. And a little bit of wind blowing down there. Yeah, we got to go back. It's good, isn't it? Pretty cool. Pity about the guy down below. Oh look, there's a bridge we can go over. Yes. The engineering on the bridge looks like it's just held up by a couple of rocks. Yeah, that'll do it. Wow. McGregor Motorsport, eat your heart out. Look at that. This place is just crazy. Whoa. No one goes to school in this country. I know, but no one goes to school. I love it. Watch out. Yeah. Yeah, please be careful of bears. Yeah. If I see a bear, I'm just going to drink it. And we just looked at it. It says it's kind of got 500 meters, 900 meters, and risk your life. But it is pretty cool. I've edited it. Yeah, let's... Oh, might be the drugs one. Goes. Once. See, this is her. She doesn't stop. She's getting ready for the bridge. We'll call it broken moments. Only once. Yeah, I love it. Coming up. She loves this beyond recognition. Her and Carly. Now she's the only person going to walk right in the middle. Oh, yeah. Actually, it's lovely coming back up. It's only... This is running up the bridge, yeah? Saves the footage. Gosh, this is just an incredible bridge. Whoever designed this just deserves a middle. Chica 怖いね。そうね。What? Oh, she's holding on. Okay. We've saved the last bit. And these are the stones that the whole bridge is based upon. It just makes me laugh.